I really hope that the Glitzglambox has some new slots open for the month of October. Based off the September box, girl, I think I need another new subscription. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I wish fall would make an appearance. I am hot, but I kind of did it to myself because I'm wearing long sleeves. And welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you enjoy beauty hauls, subscription unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and more, I'd really appreciate it if you click subscribe. Today's video, I have a single purchase of the Glitzglambox for September. There were no slots available for the September subscription month to month, so I was like, let me just purchase the single one and kind of get an idea of what their box is about. Girl, there are so many new subscriptions out and I'm kind of overwhelmed because I want every single one. And on top of that, BOXYCHARM and IPSY are both doing changes to their programs. I need a second job to be able to fund all of these subscription boxes. And part of the reason why I like to have so many different subscription boxes on my channel is to help you guys figure out which one would be best for you. I know for me, BOXYCHARM and IPSY are the ones I'm looking for because of the variety of products and the brands that they carry. And of course, the add-on program that they're both gonna have. It's a good way to buy some products that have been on my radar, but I'm able to get them for a more affordable price to help build my collection and do some reviews for you guys. But then there are some on the rise beauty boxes like Tribe and BIJOU Beauty Box, which I have done some unboxings on my channel. And now I feel like there are even more on the rise, kind of like indie subscription boxes, if that makes sense. One being the Glitzglambox, and then I also started the Glow Addict and the Slay Glam Beauty Box. But I hope you guys enjoy subscription unboxings. My style of the videos have changed to where I unbox all the products and then I will do the try on afterwards, and I put timestamps in. That way it helps you guys to navigate if you just wanted to watch the unboxing or you wanted to see some swatches and how the products applied. I'm hoping that I will be able to get this regularly, but if you're able to purchase a single box, they have a variation, and I was able to get the variation in one single purchase, which was really nice. Maybe I'll just do that until I do get on the month-to-month subscription. So if you're interested in seeing what the Glitzglambox is all about, just keep on watching. And we got two nicely bubble wrapped items. I think there's a few other items within this. And the reason that this box caught my attention is because it had a Glam Light palette. I am so stoked because I have tried one Glam Light product. It was their liquid lipstick that I received in my August BIJOU Beauty Box. In my mind, I was debating, I need to try more Glam Light products, and I actually saw an unboxing of the Glitzglambox on YouTube, and I was like, ooh, what is this? And I saw that they had a Glam Light palette, because that's the variation. And that's where I knew I needed to subscribe to another box. You know, if they're carrying brands like Glam Light, what else could they be carrying? Oh, there's something else in there. I Heart Pizza. Oh, it's a magnet. That is cute. Gryffindor is gonna love that because he is addicted to pizza. My favorite pizza is Costco's pizza. There's just something about the cheese that they put on their pizza. It's just so good. I could probably live off of Costco's cheese pizza. So there is a card, but this is a card for Glam Light to save 15% off of my next order. So now I have a total of 3 products from Glam Light. After testing out their eyeshadow, I'll have an understanding of how their formula is, and I really enjoyed their liquid lipstick formula, so I might have to go visit their website. Even though I'm about to put myself on a no low buy, I'm out of control. I feel like I've been doing pretty good. I've only really splurged on the Sephora sale and 1-2 other orders, and not that crazy during the 21 Days of Beauty. Wait, I am sad. I thought there was supposed to be more product. Okay, well, that's disappointing. All right, I'm gonna go to Glitzglam's website because I only have 2 palettes, and I thought I was supposed to get more. And I hope that their customer service doesn't fail me like IPSY. I was supposed to get a Glitz glitter pod. Oh, and a Glam Light lipstick and mink lashes. Well, poop. I just emailed them. I guess we'll see. Their website's kind of confusing. I couldn't find a contact us. Hopefully when I replied to my shipping that they will get it, but I have the 2 Glam Light palettes. This is the Glam Light Pizza Veggie Lovers. Inside is gorgeous. I have been gravitating towards green eyeshadows recently. I guess on one eye we'll use this palette, and then on the other eye we're gonna use the Glam Light Pizza Meat Lovers, and this one is right up my alley with the warmer toned shades. Too bad I can't try on the lashes or the glitter or the lipstick. I'm a little bummed out, and I hope that they're able to send me the 3 missing products. So I guess that this video has turned into a review of the Veggie and the Meat Lovers palettes. So let's watch the veggies. Oh wow, these mattes and shimmers felt really creamy and they look so good on the fingers. Jalapenos, caramelized onions, yellow peppers, olives. I love the names with their respective shades. It's so cute and creative. wow, those are absolutely stunning. They are super pigmented. I hope that they blend really nice and that the pigment payoff has some good staying power. And all 4 swatches had pigment throughout the entire swatch. I can't stop looking at jalapenos, garlic, green peppers, basil. I'm obsessed. I love how creamy and buttery these feel. Let me know in the comments, have you tried any of their palettes? And what do you guys think of it? I am living for this color story. Oh wow, black olives is pigmented. Spinach, mushrooms, black olives. Oh my gosh, this is the entire Veggie Lovers palette swatch. I don't know, I was just never into green eyeshadow until recently, and now I need like every green palette. These swatches are so pretty, I don't want to remove them. Oh wow, look at that payoff, look at the staining. And I'm really going in with this wipe. You know, I can't be mad at that. I respect that. And now let's swatch the meat lovers. Meatballs, pepperoni, chicken, ham. So far, the swatches between meat lovers and veggie lovers are very consistent in the formula. Bacon, salami, Canadian bacon. I love that shade bacon. It would be perfect for a halo look or in the inner corners. Crushed red pepper, red onions, sausage. And this is what the Meat Lovers palette looks like swatched. So let's go ahead and create some looks. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer on this Wet n Wild brush to prime the eyes. And I'm probably not going to set the base of the eye primer because we did not get any colors that would set it well, which is totally fine. You don't have to necessarily set it. And my face is breaking out. Excuse it in advance. There's some area around here, right here, right here. I don't know what's going on. I have changed up my skincare routine slightly just from some products received in subscription boxes and my Sephora haul. So I don't know if it's just introduction of new products, which happens from time to time. It hasn't happened in a while to me. I think I'm gonna start with the shade Olives and just gonna take it right up in here. I guess we're going all the way up to the brows. Totally cool. I'm okay with that. And I'm using a Luxie 229 taper blending brush. Ooh, I like this. This is a fun grungy green. Yeah, never thought I would get into doing looks with green shades, just because I've always been kind of intimidated by green. It's very pigmented and I'm going in lightly when I tap in my brush to the pan so I can build it up to my liking. And then on a Sigma E40 taper blending, I'm gonna take basil and just gonna deepen it a little bit where my lid increase meet. Doing some back and forth motions. Yeah, this is so pigmented. I don't have any additional product, but I'm just going to blend the two shades together just to give it a more diffused look. It is smoky. Hello green, how are you doing? I don't know which color to take, jalapenos or garlic. Maybe I'll do both actually. So I'm taking a Sigma E55. I'm gonna take the shade jalapenos. And I'm not spraying it with any MAC Fix, but I want to put it on like the outer portion of my eyelid. And then on a Sigma E59 wide shader, I'm going to take garlic and put that on the remaining part of my lid. It's like Sprite. I'm going to take my Morphe Jeffree Star JS13 brush. I'm going to take the shade Mushroom. We're going to use this to smoke out, oh yeah, the lower lash line. It's gliding on the lower lash really smooth, which is nice because that way my eyes won't water. That was pretty effortless and my eyes appreciate that. And I think we're gonna take caramelized onions. And I am gonna take some MAC Fix to place that in the inner corner. So how are we feeling the veggie lovers? I think if I were to do this differently is to make a neutral look and then use the green for the bottom. But I have Sprite vibes on my lid for sure. Smash that like for more green looks. So I just got a message back from Glitzglambox. They said, "Hi Amanda, please check the bubble wrap pouches. We put the lashes, glitter, and lipstick in there in a little pouch with glitter tissue paper and a sticker." And you guys saw that there was only 2 of these bubble wraps that had the 2 palettes in here, and then we got the 2 cards and 2 magnets. And as we just checked together, they will alert customer service for a replacement. So after I told them that I checked it, and they said, oh no, with the broken heart emoji, so sorry that happened. We can ship out the replacement ASAP. I'll alert customer service. So luckily I was able to update you guys in real time with their customer service. And I told them that I wasn't sure if the email that I had replied to my tracking number would work. And they said that they also try to respond to DMs and comments ASAP. I'll get a new tracking number for my replacement, and the customer service will email me regarding the missing items. Now let's dive into the meat lovers. I'm gonna go into Canadian bacon, and I'm taking a 205 Luxie taper blending, and for the heck of it, we are going to take it all the way up like how we did on the veggie lovers. I love a good hot pink. Hot pink has been a color I have been playing with in a lot of my more recent looks. I thought I was gonna go all the way. I think things are changing what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna clean off that brush. I'm gonna take red onions, which is more like purple onions, and go on this other half. Oh wow. So they kind of look very similar. Hopefully I can build up red onions to kind of help show the difference between the two. But I like that gradient ombre effect these are doing. I'm gonna go back into Canadian bacon to help round this all out. And my bad, this is a 205 taper blending. I realized I had mispronounced the wrong number because I grabbed my 209 shader and I had to double check. That's on me, sorry for that. And then I want to dip into ham. I think ham would be a gorgeous shade for the lid with these colors. And I did not take MAC Fix. I kind of wanted to see how this performed, and it is stunning. I think this side is my new favorite. And on a Luxie 111 mini flat angled, I'm gonna take crushed red peppers to smoke the lower lash. I was gonna use this shade to deepen things out, and then we did the two-tone approach, and I didn't want to deepen anymore. I go really smoky when I do my lower lash line. And then I tried cleaning off to best of my ability, but I'm gonna take bacon on that same brush we used to smoke out, and this I will take some MAC Fix. So it looks So I wonder if I did that because I dipped in with that same brush that I took crushed red peppers. Maybe on this Pharaoh 105 pencil brush, it will pop a little bit more. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, it was because I did that. It does look a little pinky since I am on crushed red peppers, but it is going on silver. So that's on me. Sorry about that, guys. Can we talk about that? I don't know which one my favorite is. I think by default, I'm going to gravitate and use the meat lovers a lot more, but this veggie one just has me. The look isn't my absolute favorite. Like, I do like the meat lovers one more, but the colors in this veggie one are just more appealing to me right now. I feel like I can be a little bit more creative, but that does not take anything away from the meat lovers. There are still so many other looks to create. I love how all these colors really work well together, but I definitely think both of these are fantastic. Definitely gonna get a lot of use out of both of these. As I mentioned, slots for the month to month are sold out, but beginning on October 1st, subscriptions will reopen for a limited time. Let me know if you guys have the Glitzglambox. What were your thoughts on September's box? Did you guys enjoy these palettes? If you tried the glitter pod, the lashes, or the lipstick, what were your thoughts on it? I know I am really excited to get mine. And if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I would really appreciate it if you hit subscribe before you leave. And if not, thank you for the view, and I'll see you in the next video.